when Bitcoin will hit this cycle peak. If you like this kind of topic, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And join my free email list. I will have a free webinar to teach you how to trade correctly with the system. Okay, so click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. This video, I'm going to give you the answer when I will think Bitcoin will hit the peak in this cycle. Okay, so now we look at the Bitcoin monthly chart. You can see last time in my video, I also mentioned when the RSI monthly chart, when they hit around 40, basically this is our bottom, okay? So basically it happened a few times when they hit around 40. For example, this one, 2015, when they hit 44, this is the bottom. And then they go all the way up to the peak. It takes 35 bars, which is 35 months, okay? The second cycle, when the RSI, which is 43, also, this is the bottom. So from this bottom to the peak, it takes another 35 months, okay? So where are we now? You can see here. So we have the RSI here hitting 40.34. So this is our bottom. There's few signal to tell us this is a bottom. And from here to 35 months, when would it be, right? So from here to 35 months would be around here. October 225 here. October 225 will hit the peak in this cycle. Okay, so I want to show you another chart also. This is our halving days for Bitcoin. So basically in this year, Bitcoin will go half. Okay, so I want to show you what happened to the Bitcoin price with this year. Does it has any relationship? Okay, so you will understand better. So remember this year, 2012, 2016, 2020, and the next one is 2024. Okay, what happened for Bitcoin in this year? So the first one, 2012, basically Bitcoin will have a bull stage 2. Basically, they increase gradually, slowly. And then after 1 year, we'll hit the peak around November. After 2 years of the halving year, we will hit the bottom, and basically it's the bear market. And after 3 years, we start again wave 1. Okay, 2016, what happened? Bull stage 2 again. And then past 1 year, we hit another peak around December. Past 2 years, bear market, bottom. Okay, past 3 years, wave 1. So you can check it on the tradingview.com. It's very like very mechanical. Like the whole thing is like copy book, they copy. 220, which is bull stage 2. And then after 1 year, they will have the peak in November. So you can see the pattern is 1 year after the halving year, basically in the year end, November, December, November, this is the peak. And in my last graph, basically I show you is 2025 October, remember? So, basically it's very near. So, okay, let me continue this. Past 2 years is the bear market. So basically we have the bottom until to November. Past 3 years, which is now 2023, we have the wave 1. So I want to show you here is 2024. We will have the peak around with this graph. Basically is 2025 year end around November. We will have the peak wave 3. Okay, 2026 we will have another bear market again. And 2027 will be the wave 1. So don't miss it. This is my prediction, and it seems like quite correct in the last few last time, right? So this is quite let's see what will happen this time, 2025 October. This is my prediction. So around October, November, we'll hit our peak. So if you like this kind of topic, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my free webinar. I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.